What's up guys, welcome to another one of my videos. If you haven't already done so, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel and select the bell notification so that you're notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, you're basically going to be spending the weekend with me, which will be like a Saturday and a Sunday. There's some cool stuff lined up for you guys, including touring the farm where we got a whole lot of mealies, so make sure you stick until the end of the video. As you can already see what I'm doing already here, I started the day off late. I wake up late guys, it's a Saturday. So I start off by doing my laundry that I came back with from town where I'm staying and working. As soon as I'm done with my washing, I'll be helping out with any other chores that will be available in the house. Anything that is available, like helping my mom out, who's always keeping herself busy here, as you can see. Yeah, and then from there, the main focus today, I'll be taking you guys to the farm where we'll be doing an inspection of the farm. I'll be indirectly giving you a tour of the farm guys today. Yeah, and we've got Mr. Mangani here keeping himself busy with his grandmother. These guys can literally work the whole day in the sun. Nah, I mean, I'm not like that. I'm built different. There was a lot of footage that was recorded for the purpose of this video, but as life has it, most of the footage has been lost. But not all was lost, so let's go through what managed to survive. We're done with the washing for today. On to other things. Since we're done with the washing for today, it's time to move on to other things. I've got a bucket here. I'm going to get chicken waste, manure, and take it to the farm. I noticed something when I was coming back yesterday. When I was passing by there was a fire. That was like a forest fire. So I'm kind of going to investigate if the fire did any damage or anything like that. Sorry about the light. So I'll be taking the chicken manure as well and spreading it in all the areas that we really need manure in the farm. So yeah, let's get on with it. So this structure here, it's the one that we use as our chicken hanger, the chicken chill spot, chicken house. So this is the waste that I'm going to be taking to the farm. It actually makes very good manure. So I'm going to, there's very little of it, Mara. It makes a difference. So I'm going to be taking all this waste to the farm. I spent the last 30 minutes looking for my car keys, and then when I put them away yesterday, I told myself that I'm putting them in a place where it will be easy for me to find them. And then guess what I did? I just put them somewhere where I never even thought I would put them. Right in my bedroom, but at least I found them. Let's go. Elani. Let's see. Oh, don't scratching my car. Jeez. So far so good. I don't see any evidence, Corey. There was a fire here last night, but I saw some bent grass like somewhere back there on the road. I didn't record that. Okay, now we're starting to see evidence of a fire. Definitely there was a fire this side last night. But I mean, what I'm hoping for, the fire didn't make it all the way to our farm there, because like the fire can cause significant damage, especially to the fence. So, Mara, we'll see when we get there. This road stretches a bit, so you need a proper car for it. This bike is not doing so bad, so you can't come here with your drop pole on it. You won't make it. That's why dropping a car is not my thing. So, it looks nice, but it's not practical around here. Okay, I'm happy to report, like, Corey, it doesn't look like the fire made it this far, so it's good. So my camera app decided to go bust, and funny enough, at the same time my phone decided to kill the front-facing camera as well, so I can't take like selfies or record using the front camera. So this is what we have to work with. So essentially what we're here to do with my farmer here, we've come to check, especially the fence, is it still in good condition now? And then we check on the soil down here, is there any evidence there were cattle walking around here? And from what I see so far, there was a lot of them, so which means the fence has been compromised somewhere. So I have to find that little area where the fence is compromised and make arrangements for that area to be repaired. And here we are. We found our first spot. I don't know if you can see it in the footage here. Kurukuna fence la. This is the fence. It goes all the way that side, Natipala, that over there, and it goes this side as well. So here, in this little area here, it's wide open, of which means it's free access. It's a huge area. And we found another spot. Wanna like it's free access. It's free access. Yes, Bafanas. No, it's like a miss, Bafanas. Free access. You can even see the path in Negre. Evidence of trespassing everywhere. I see footsteps. Whose footsteps and the shoe marks telling things salam saveno. Guys, I mean donate for a proper fence, man. Just imagine what I can do with this piece of land once I got a proper fence and proper equipment. Donate la nwana. This part of the farm has not been cleared yet, since Harbi is not this part. But it will be cleared in the near future. So we're also not going to go into that little bush there. In fact, it's not little, it's dense. And in this area, it's a well-known python land. The sizes of pythons that you'll find here. Yeah. The snake gang will make a lot of money from them. Yeah. Guess who got the camera working again? Who got the selfie camera working again? All it took was for me to restart the phone. And the CEO of the farm is chilling here, he's tired. He says he wants some water to drink, and unfortunately we didn't bring any. So what we're going to do, we're going to speed up the exploration of the farm, checking all the areas so that we can go sooner. Hey Chief, let's go. And here's another spot where the fence has been compromised. It's open. This is going to take a lot more effort than I thought. Yeah. I was not planning for something like this, man. And that's enough farm work for today, because the CEO says we've done enough farm work for today. Mr. CEO. So all in all, we discovered 3 spots on the fence which need some attention before we can use the place for any farming activities. So yeah, it's big areas, man. They will need some serious attention, and I'm not that good when it comes to fencing and stuff like that, so obviously we'll have to get someone else or the old men to help out. I use the brains, not the physical power. It's about 40 degrees Celsius out here, and it's so hot. My face is dark and sticky. Sometimes I ask myself, how are we supposed to be yellow bones with this kind of heat every day? Man, it's not fair. Hi. What's the excitement for now? Eh? Papa. Hi, man. So dusty. I don't know if you can see it from the video. Yeah? So dusty. It's been packed here for too long. Not bad for a 5-year-old, even though it seems like move forever. Pretty clean. We've got a car enthusiast la.
Papa.
Yes.
Piping.
You cook. Okay, that's enough car washing. I'm gonna record the video forever. That's the livestock over there. Lower stock. Yeah, forgot to mention that. Not to manner. Since I pump at the lower line, during such an event. Mara, for this day, I think we're going to conclude here. I'll continue the recording tomorrow. Man, it's the washing because it's going to be dark soon, and recording in the dark is not that easy. Plus, I'm using a simple Chinese phone here, which doesn't have those state-of-the-art features. These guys are still excited. We'll see what happens tomorrow. So it is the next day, guys, where things start to get shady. This is where I lost most of my footage. Yes, I lost a lot of my footage, but at least this is some of the footage that I still have left. The plan for the day was to collect these narkis. There's a lot of fruit trees in the yard. Like there's pawpaws, there's mangoes, there's bananas, there's narkis, there's oranges, there's it's a lot. There's avocados, So we have a lot of trees that the nargis, I think we've got like 9 of them, and all of them are like bearing fruits like the ones that you can see right now. So there's no way we can eat all of that. So a lot of it falls under the tree, and what we do, we collect it and feed it to the cattle and the goats. The animals love them just as much as we love them, if not more. Yes, most of the footage has been lost where I was doing other stuff, but I think this will do. But if you've made it to this far, I appreciate you for watching the video. I'm trying by all means to keep on improving the content that I provide, even though I record my stuff using a Chinese cell phone, editing the videos on my phone, like literally everything is done on my phone. As time goes, I'll try to buy equipment, I'll try to improve. So please make sure you subscribe. The goal is to go to 100 subscribers, and at the moment I think I'm somewhere around 44, I think. Once again, if you've made it to this far in the video, thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.